Are you still relying on diesel power for your mining operations? Fuel costs continue to climb. Power supply fluctuations are frequent. Maintenance expenses remain high. Every minute of downtime is a direct hit to your productivity. It's time to move toward a more advanced energy ecosystem. Introducing smart microgrid solutions, integrating solar PV, energy storage systems ESS, and diesel backup, building a more efficient and stable energy structure. High-capacity LiFePO for batteries, the central hub of mine energy. Smart BMS for 24/7 monitoring and multi-layer safety protection. Built-in fire suppression systems to elevate operational safety. Modular expansion supported. Flexible enough to adapt to any mining scale, ensuring 24/7 stable power supply. Efficient storage by day, continuous power by night. Intelligent dispatching of energy flow. Reduce diesel consumption by up to 70%. Significantly lower operating costs. Drastically improve energy efficiency. Stable equipment operation. Controllable production continuity. Optimize overall operational performance. Driving the transition to sustainable mining. Proven stability in the harshest environments. Successfully deployed in global mining projects, earning trust through reliable performance. Upgrade your mine's energy system. Get your customized microgrid solution. Contact us today.